Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your digital Wi-Fi repeater. First, find a power outlet close to your main router and plug in the repeater. It's important to place it nearby for the initial setup. Give it about 15 seconds to fully power on, and watch for the indicator lights to confirm it's ready. Next, grab your phone or computer and open your Wi-Fi settings. You'll need to find the repeater's temporary network. Look for a name like Wi-Fi 2, 4GXXXX, or something similar to digital. This network is usually open, so you won't need a password to connect at this stage. Now open any web browser on your connected device. In the address bar, type 192.168.10.1 and press Enter. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username and password are often admin for both. Once inside, select Repeater Mode, choose your existing home Wi-Fi network and enter its password. You can also create a new name for your extended network. After entering your details, save the settings and let the repeater reboot. This usually takes a minute or two. Once it restarts, disconnect from the temporary network and connect to your newly extended Wi-Fi. For optimal performance, place the repeater about halfway between your main router and the area needing better coverage. A solid green light confirms a strong signal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.